we've been talking about the battery issue that I'm struggling with, where my battery light comes on as I'm driving. Not the safest, but I'm on a side road. Wanted to show everybody. The truck stays plugged up on a tender because I don't drive it often. So right now batteries are reading 14.12. Temperature outside's 30 degrees. The truck's been running now for quite a while. But it is so cold and the radiators are so efficient that it will not build up a lot of heat right now. So just wanted to show you guys kind of what's happening. Again, you saw the battery, 14 plus volts. We start driving. Get out here where be able to see. So as I step on it, you'll see the battery light over there illuminating. You'll see my voltage drops. Battery light illuminating, I let off of it. Battery's gonna pop right on up there. Light's gonna go off on the dash. If I get back on it, kind of stays off that time, but it does that over and over and over, and I can't understand why. Now when the truck warms up completely, so whenever even in cold running down the interstate, when I get the temperature up on the truck above 150 plus degrees for the coolant temp and everything, engine oil temp, that's not going to happen. It only happens when it's cold, 30 degrees outside, doesn't matter. Once the engine temp comes up, that's going to stop. Battery voltage again, sitting here at idle is 14. But anyone's got an idea what is happening and why, let me know. Thanks.